Hello friends, I am starting new playlist from today and in this playlist we will learn search engine optimization. In today's video we will learn difference between SEO versus SEM. As we already know that SEO is search engine optimization and SEM is search engine marketing. The major difference between SEO and SEM is that SEO is organic settings of our contents like websites or videos to rank in search engines, and SEM is paying the price to the search engines like Google to directly rank content. Also need to consider that these search engines never set aside their reputation of organic searching. But having said that, they consider also to give you the paid marketing to earn. Paid marketing using search engines are often referred to as the PPC or pay per click. People often think that search engine marketing or SEM is better or more powerful than SEO, or SEO is better than SEM. Both statements are ideally not so much true because SEO is very organic and works slowly, and SEM is directly hitting the spot. But SEO is very effective when you rank the keyword. Also, SEM never hit all the keywords, while SEO or organic ranking hit all the spots. But one thing always needs to consider that search engine like Google never compromise on their algorithm and reputation of their organic ranking. Some people claims that they can rank you the Google or YouTube with their methods or paying to Google do the magic, but that's not true at all. Ranking using SEO versus SEM are both having their pros and cons. And while SEM ended when money ends. So we need to consider both while starting any campaign. At the top of the ads written at the top informing clients that it is an ad, not organic traffic. While SEO is permanent and long term, SEM is temporary and short term, but can give startings to new players. SEO required constant optimization of keywords and backlinks. SEM is direct and very little effort required and results can be achieved. General terms can be hit using SEM like online shopping, best shoe spot, but very generalized terms like shoe with orange straps can only display in organic results. So question is always remains SEO, SEM or both. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का बटन